As World War I unfolded, the scale and intensity of the conflict required unprecedented mobilization of resources, troops, and supplies. At the heart of this logistical challenge stood the railways, an often overlooked but crucial component that served as the backbone of total war. This video explores the pivotal role of trains in World War I, examining how they facilitated the movement of troops, supplies, and weapons, transforming the nature of warfare and contributing to the concept of total war. Mobilization and troop movement. The sheer magnitude of the war on the Western Front demanded the rapid movement of large numbers of troops. Railways provided an efficient and organized means of mobilization, allowing for the swift deployment of soldiers to the front lines. Troop trains became a common sight as they transported soldiers from training camps to the theaters of war, ensuring that armies could be strategically positioned to respond to evolving situations. Supply lines and logistics. The logistical demands of World War I were staggering, requiring a constant and reliable flow of supplies to the front lines. Railways played a pivotal role in establishing and maintaining these crucial supply lines. Trains transported food, ammunition, medical supplies, and equipment to sustain the armies engaged in the protracted trench warfare. The ability to move vast quantities of materials over long distances by rail was instrumental in supporting the war effort. Evacuation of the wounded. The railways also played a vital role in the evacuation of the wounded. Medical trains were equipped with facilities to provide initial treatment and transport injured soldiers away from the front lines to more comprehensive medical facilities. The efficiency of these evacuation systems contributed to improved medical care and increased the chances of survival for many wounded soldiers. Strategic mobility. Railways provided military commanders with a level of strategic mobility that was previously unparalleled. Troops could be rapidly shifted between different sectors of the front, allowing for the exploitation of weaknesses or the reinforcement of critical positions. This ability to respond quickly to changing circumstances was a defining feature of total war, where every aspect of a nation's resources was harnessed for the war effort. Impact on civilians. The reliance on railways during World War I had profound effects on civilian populations. The demand for transportation of military personnel and supplies often disrupted civilian travel and trade. Additionally, the strain on railway systems led to the prioritization of military needs, impacting the availability of resources for civilians. Legacy and technological advancements. The role of railways in World War I left a lasting legacy that extended beyond the conflict. The war accelerated technological advancements in rail transport, influencing subsequent developments in infrastructure and logistics. The lessons learned from the efficiency and effectiveness of wartime rail systems contributed to the evolution of transportation and logistics in the post-war era. The railways emerged as the unsung heroes of World War I, serving as the backbone of total war by facilitating rapid mobilization, sustaining supply lines, and enabling strategic mobility. The efficiency and scale of railway operations during the conflict marked a paradigm shift in military logistics, influencing the conduct of warfare and leaving a lasting impact on the development of transportation systems in the 20th century. The trains that crisscrossed the war-torn landscapes of World War I played a pivotal role in shaping the course and outcome of the conflict.